What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I'm here at Wrap My Ride. Today we are tinting the 2019 Mustang Roush Stage 3. I'm excited to see how it's going to look. I mean, the car looks good stock, but what we're about to do to it is going to make it look so much better. Definitely have to get some photos.
I feel like my head is smooth.
So we got one side completely done. About to start on the passenger side and get the back done. But we ran into a problem. The battery's dead. What do you guys think? Should I keep the wheels or should they go? Alright guys, so I have to admit the stock sound system on the Roush Stage 3 definitely slaps. It sounds pretty damn good. It's impressive. With that being said, tint makes this car look that much more aggressive. Do a full walk around. Car sounds so good. Alright guys, let's get the first official rev. That thing is like ridiculously loud for being a stock exhaust. I do have to mess around with the drive modes, not the drive modes, but the exhaust modes. Apparently you can do a custom exhaust note, so I'm gonna mess around with it, maybe do another video of it. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm tired, I'm hungry. Let's go. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the RS3 Mustang. And I think the wheels got to go, in my opinion. I don't like them. Don't like those. Debating getting rid of the flags. Roush banner. I think it has good. I don't know. The stripes? Should I keep them? Anyhow, let me know in the comment section below. And again, if you enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up button. Of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.